3, 2, 1, start. Lord Macaulay was blessed with the possession of rare power of memory. His accumulation of fact was immense. He was almost in a state of subjection to his memory and a subjective examination of the information in his possession at any time would have been a revelation even to himself. The retention and repetition of figure, the manipulation of fact in discussion, the selection and citation of authorities caused him no hesitation. He was to have been a barrister, but the legal profession had no fascination for him. Macaulay took a share in the promotion of education, but his reputation rests mainly on his famous essays. His criticism brought him into opposition with several fashionable authors, and his exposition occasionally produced bitterness in opposite faction. Parachange, dear sir, the heavy mahogany table for your new home, hillside woodhouse land, is ready for delivery at any time. When we hear from you, we hope to have the hanging fixed tomorrow and the curtain hung by Wednesday next. The new hammocks and haystacks are almost ready and they will be delivered next week or when maybe in your neighborhood on Monday, in which case you shall have the hall chair, and the whole of the small household things then. But for a mishap at our Harley works, you would have had the hair cushion for the settee. Before this, we hope, however, to receive them on Friday and to deliver them with other things on Monday. Yours truly.